carefully run a wide tooth comb through it just to kind of get out the little bit of tangles that it had. It was packaged very well. It's really pretty. The color, the highlights, everything in it just looks very natural to me. It's an awesome looking hair topper. If this particular hair topper does have lace so that it blends in really well with your natural hairline. I don't know that I did a really good job of trimming this one particularly, but I think it looks very, very natural on my hairline and lays very well. It's not too shiny so that you can't automatically know it's a wig. UniWigs did send me this hair topper. This particular hair topper is called the Hope Synthetic Mono Hair Topper. I particularly like the hair topper because I've heard a lot of people say that wigs are itchy and hot. I'm not finding that with this. I put this hair topper on this morning and I've been wearing it around all day and I've not had any issues with getting overly heated or with itching. So that's a plus for sure. This particular hair topper also is, from my understanding, a little bit larger of a cap than most hair toppers. This one is 8.5 by 9.